Hi there! The story of this collection started with a simple WhatsApp message from our good Australian client. He sent me a reference picture of a design he wanted us to work on. The picture was pretty simple, bad quality, but it didn't work. So we could get the idea of what type of the design he wanted us to develop. As you can see, the main feature of this collection is this patterning here on all the items, and this is what he wanted us to do. We didn't come up with this design right away. We needed to go through different type of renders, and we did about 3 or 4 collections before our customer actually confirmed this final design. The highlight of this collection that there are 2 planks going together rather than just one. Usually with the similar designs, people has been putting just 1 plank, and we did 2, and this simple change made this product stand out. Also, on our first renders, we made the only top drawer with this pattern here. However, customer picked the option where we make patterning on both drawers, and the cool thing here, the planks are continuing, and you can see it from the top drawer, it going down to the second bottom drawer. On the tall boy, we needed to repeat the feature as we did on the bed sides, where the planks go from the top drawer to the second drawer. You can see this patterning here, but we decided not to do it on the bottom drawers in order not to overcomplicate the design. On the dresser, however, we only applied the patterning on the top drawers because there are only 3 lines with the drawers, and 2 lines with the patterns would be too much. Okay, now let me tell you about the challenges we faced during the production. Originally, we wanted to make this patterning here, which is the main feature of this collection, out of solid wood. And the way it needed to be done is when you put planks of solid wood, you glue it on the either veneer or MDF, same as the sampler here. However, for the mass production, then it would be challenging to do. The reasons, first of all, it takes a lot of manual labor, slows down the production. That's the difficulties for the factory, and then difficulties for us that if, for example, factory used a wrong glue, later these planks could bend or they can start unsticking, same as you can see here. So we decided to switch to MDF veneer, which we did here. And originally we didn't have these lines, and it was way too obvious that it's veneering, and it didn't look good. So we decided to add these lines here, and with these lines here, this collection starts to play in a totally different colors. It looks so much better now, and in fact it's even better than our original plan where we wanted to apply solid wood planks. It's safer, it looks nicer and cleaner, and it just in general looks great. Final consumer won't be able to tell either if it's solid wood or MDF veneer, which we applied here, because even if you look at the sides, you can't see it. We painted in a black pattern color, so nobody can tell what this is unless you understand furniture production and how things made. Next thing we changed is the gap here. Originally it was 20 mm, which is a little bit too small, tiny. It could have been good for the Asian market, but in Western countries people are slightly bigger. and when you try to open the especially bottom drawers, your fingers could start hitting the top of the drawers here, so it's a little bit uncomfortable. So we increased the size to 27 mm, and at the moment it's big enough for any nationality. This product is made out of acacia and MDF acacia veneer with the light wire brush and beautiful dark gray color. These are metal legs, and the cool feature is that you can see this metal bar going through and it's sticking out here. We've also produced dining and living for this collection. The thickness of the headboard is 60 millimeters, which is pretty thick. Of course, it's a fake aging, which again final consumers don't see, so it looks chunky and strong. Guys, if you're in the furniture industry and didn't subscribe to my channel yet, subscribe and click like.